What's happening to me? So hello, hi, namaste, welcome to your obviously not yet favorite YouTube channel. It's a girl with wrinkles and pimples, which is totally normal. So as I say, grab something from the kitchen because my video is going to be super fun. So you know what is this? Or just ignore my drums, they are not shaved. Yesterday I was having my tea with 40 to 50 biscuit packets and YouTube suggested me meganfox makeup tutorial and I was like, wait, I want to do that. First of all, do you guys know who is meganfox? Even I don't know who is she, but I saw her photo and I was like, maybe she seems like big celebrities. I have Google uncle, so let's ask them. Uncle, who is Megan Fox? I was about to write a box. Oh my god, the font is like... Megan Fox is an American actress. She made her acting... Okay, so she's an American actress. I see that tutorial which YouTube suggested me. So I have already prepared what's happening to me? I have primed my face. Lot of pimples coming out as permanent guest on my face. So first thing is Megan Fox have blue eyes. She also have blue eyes and I have black eyes. So don't consider my eyes. I was about to put lens, but somehow I messed up and that lens was like stuck somewhere in there, and that starts with some primer and then she applies concealer. As I told, I have already primed my face. Also, this video has second reason. Shooting this video because I have got some new cosmetics and I want to try it, so I thought to shoot a video for it. So I got these two colors of corrector. So I was using that palette which my mom had, and then my mom was like, let me buy you a new one because I don't get to use mine. I cannot blend anything properly with my fingers. I can do just one thing properly with my fingers. Talking about food. Oh, also one thing, I got new, so as I said, I got some cosmetics. So this is what I got. I got a new palette. At this point, I don't buy expensive palettes, but yeah, I got this, which has these colors. One shimmer. My favorite is this purple. Maybe I will use it in upcoming videos. Let's go with this. This already has some color in it. I have not washed it. Something which has shimmer. I have that in my blush palette. Oh well, I can go with this. Actually, I'm afraid of gel liners because once you put them on your eyes, there is no going back. And it's always hot where I live, so I don't want myself to look like Rakhu. So you can see how rarely I have used it. And then she takes angular brush. Maybe I can change my brush. Just a second. Okay, I got this. Oh, the number of this brush is 143. I love you. Okay, so blending part is difficult. It looks easy, right? But it's not. Because I have bad experience about blending your what is called gel liner. It's not happening, and if anything is happening right now, it's what I was afraid of. I have to do it off camera, but this is how it turned out after 15 minutes. It's not looking like her, I know. Maybe my eyeliner is not... Is this expired? It was not blending properly, or maybe my blending skills are not that perfect, or maybe I have a lot of why am I giving this many reasons? I'm not a professional makeup artist, right? So maybe that's the main reason. I have a lot of ingrown hairs in this part. Maybe you cannot see, but it's good if you cannot see that. I try to make my eyebrows as pointed as possible so that I can kill someone I hate. Is that enough pointed to kill someone? Yeah. I know you are clever, but in case if you don't know, you guys can subscribe and comment below so that I can I will keep on making these videos, this useless stuff for you. Yeah, now I can kill two. She has also applied kajal and I forgot that. Let me apply that first. This is from Faces. Faces kajal are really expensive. And how I have that? Oh, I have that. This is not sharp. Maybe I can sharpen it with my eyebrow. Also, I want to tell you that I am just going to apply mascara. I am not going to apply lashes because you guys know, if you have seen my earlier videos, I am not so good at eyeshadow. Sorry, what am I saying? You can see my struggle applying eyelashes in this video. I need new mascara. It's not working anymore. Well, her skin is flawless and my skin is not flawless, so I have to correct this millions of pimples first. Let me use my new product, this. I hope this matches my shade. Not bad. Don't you think it's one shade lighter on my skin? Why? Just a second. This is my shade. Look, it's perfect. And we have a lot of pimples on our forehead. Tell me any place where I don't have pimples. I mean on face. Earlier I used Forever 52 foundation. I want to use Sugar Stick. I think Sugar Cosmetics are made for Indian skin tones. I don't think they are. Now I will blend it with a wet, what do you call this? What do you call this? Oh, sponge! Look at the tone, it's amazing, right? Should I apply it on my neck? Well, it's just a makeup tutorial. I'm not going anywhere. This is not pointed. Yes, I should not be angry. Oh! I had this. I'm dealing with a huge thing. Why? I should put one more layer of Sugar Stick. You guys can still see my dark spots. So that contour line is like straight. Is something falling? Also, I have a new contour stick, which is this. This has two colors, which is first is dark and second is this light. And I think this color is never going to be used. This. Is it too much? If you guys notice, my nose is not straight. It's like this. Don't see. Let's try to blend with this. I don't know why. This baby is so irritating. Maybe I should put a dark color here. Oh, let's mess up. There is no difference. It's too dark. Let me curl my eyelash. I did not like my eyeshadows today. It makes me feel like I'm so sad. I am actually sad because you guys are not subscribing to my channel. My hair are in good condition. It is not something that I was looking for, that I was expecting at the end. But at least my hairstyle is making them look good. Hate today's makeup. So guys, this was it. I'm not looking like any Megan Fox. I think the biggest mistake I did in this video is that I have not applied foundation. I'm not complaining about this stick, but stick is good when you want no makeup look, but today it was not a video about no makeup look. It was about Megan Fox, and I am not at all looking like any Megan Fox. So thank you so much for watching, and I know you have time, so you can check out my earlier videos which are fun. And thank you so much for watching. Lots of love. Bye.